All right, Mr. Dave on the rock pile doing this crazy, insane, awesome, big, ginormous spa grotto thing with amazing amounts of rock work everywhere. And you can see that the sun is almost going down. It's behind the house, so we're looking at our colors in the shadow of the house. But we want to have salt and pepper. We've got brick red we did here. We still have to do the black pepper speckles and a little bit of that brick red we did here. It's very subtle. We want light rocks. That's our target. We don't want to go full on gray like some other projects that you guys have seen on the video. So many cool aspects of this have been going on. It's just going to be amazing. Wonderful little area here. Well, that's going to be a little deck or terrace rolling in here. Stream beds coming way up there and bobbling around, coming across, splitting, bouncing to that terrace, splitting again to this one. And you can all sit in here and with the waterfall running. It's going to be so cool. Always good to put the planters in, as I've mentioned. And underneath this plastic is the most gorgeous big radius stairway. Absolutely spectacular and beautiful. We have our painting zone over there, and the client has been mixing up colors and they have been spray painting and doing things. You can learn how to do this. The client has taken my training that we had up at the studio up there in Alpine, and they learned it then, and now they have learned way more because the amount of rocks that they have been working on is legendary. Waterfall is going to be able to split. We have controllable knobs that'll take and manage either side or both, all one or the other. Down here through the little stream gurgle, steps that are rocks allow you to access the upper deck where a portable spa will be, as the other videos have talked about. Wonderful little deck here on the way up to the upper deck. Big rock there they made themselves after the course back in the day, and it's been integrated into this crazy whole huge design. Different colors on the planes of the rocks, light, brick red, speckles. Again, this is a way to walk around and get over into the kiddie pool. If I can walk with my neuropathy feet into the kiddie pool. So the waterfall is going to come down there, come over here and just have a nice dump into this very shallow, but it'll be a great reflecting pond. Behind it is a huge big planter. Ups over here, kiddie pool, dumps into here, another little terrace, bounces down, another little terrace, and then into the beautiful, amazing spa that we cannot wait to sit in and just get poached. No, what do you do when you put a turkey in the oven? I can't remember. I'll have to think about that for a while. Okay, I'm getting off track. All right, they adjusted this, made the seats, built up concrete, made them flat. Absolutely beautiful. Built this up, made all these rocks themselves. And look at that big spiral staircase. Oh, it's going to be so cool. So, beautiful view, looking on the canyon, looking sort of north is kind of this way, and west is where the sun is. So it's like northwest. Got a deck up there you can look from onto this whole hillside that has now been turned into a resort, I say. Absolutely amazing. All right, walking up to the top, getting over to where the valves are. Again, these are going to regulate how much water goes where. We have a pipe that'll feed there, that'll dump into here, dump into there. This little edge is higher. If someone sits there, it'll dump into here. But the other place that can be regulated to between these two is one of these valves. The other valve actually dumps water from the pump all the way into the spa down there, so you can regulate the amount of water that is being used to flush down these water courses and stuff. So pretty crazy, pretty cool. All right, I'll have to get a video when we get it all speckled up and all completely dialed in. Stream bed looking pretty cool. So all right, Mr. Dave here rambling on, and we are getting it done. Have a good day no matter what. Remember davehenderson.podia.com to get free downloads on how we do this stuff if you like. Okay, is that good? Yes, it's good. Oh, my stabilizer doesn't let me make my camera nod. Okay, we'll see you later. Have a good day no matter what. Bye.